Welcome to Restaurant de Nieuwe Winkel. My name is Emiel van der Staak. I'm head chef and owner, and I'm going to share you a little story about this beautiful dish. As a chef, when you're long enough in the business, you end up having signature dishes. This is one of them. This is the green sunflower seeds, prepared as it was a risotto, in combination with mustard seeds and wild garlic. And to make green sunflower seeds, we apply a process that we call cooking with elevated pH. So you elevate the pH by adding baking soda, and with sunflower seeds you actually get a chemical reaction that makes them turn green. That's a really nice side effect. The initial idea of using the baking soda was to cook them properly, because it also plays a role in the cooking process. It makes it more easy to cook something that is very hard to cook. So that's how we started, and then they ended up turning green. We finish it off with some black garlic, some wild garlic cream, and some green sunflower seed cream. The fun thing is, many guests recognize the late work of famous painter Monet, the water lilies. I think it's too much honor. Enjoy!